how to check in on Facebook. Hey guys, in today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to check in on Facebook. So then, to begin with, first thing first, check your internet connection. Now log in into your Facebook account. So basically you'll have to log in into your Facebook page and then navigate to your feed. So go ahead and open up your page by tapping the try bar icon from the top and go to pages. After that, go ahead and open up the page that you own, and once you own the page, you'll be able to see the statement something like this. You'll be able to see create post button, and just next to it or just right on top you'll be able to find the three dot icon. Click on it. As soon as you click on the three dot icon, you'll be able to see the label as check-in with the red map mark icon on it. All you have to do is just tap on it, and as soon as you do that, you've successfully checked in on Facebook. So in this way you can check in on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.